Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of took too much space on the application of Netflix. You will click on settings. In this page you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above you can search about Netflix and you will enter Netflix like this. Then you can click on first stop and you can click OK. After that you'll enter to the window of storage as you see here. Then you can click on clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can delete your account as you see here in this page. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video.